Good morning, dear children. Welcome to this session. Last class, we have been discussing the textual activities. We had completed up to 11th answer. So, let's do the next questions. Dear children, let's see the 12th question. What were the demands of the Archduke and the courtiers in painting their pictures? The Archduke wants the portrait to be perfect and all the courtiers should be seen exactly as they are. But the courtiers want Till to paint them as if they were young and beautiful. He should hide all their ugliness. Question number 13. Why did Till think that if he painted the picture, he would definitely be killed? The Archduke has declared that if he doesn't paint the courtiers exactly as they look like, he will be slaughtered like a pig. The courtiers have warned him that if their portraits are not beautiful, they will cut him into pieces. Question number 14. What will Till do to save himself from being killed? He decided not to paint the portrait to save his life. He will play a trick upon the Archduke and the courtiers. He will say that he has painted the portrait as they demanded, but only those who have noble blood in their veins will be able to see it. Question number 15. How did Till manage to stay in the court for long? How many days did he finally get to complete the picture? For 30 days, Till and his companions enjoyed staying in the palace under the pretext of painting the portrait. On the 31st day, he asked for a fortnight more to finish the work. On the 45th day, he said he needed more days for the final touch. Thus, he got totally 60 days to complete the picture. Question number 16. What is special about the picture? Till said there was something very special about the portrait. Only those who have noble blood in their veins can see it. Question number 17. Is the jester a mere fool? Why do you think so? No, the jester is not a fool. Actually, he is the only wise man in the palace. All the others, including the Archduke, were cheated by the clever painter. But the jester knew that the painter had not painted any picture at all. Okay, dear children, please do all these notes in your notebook and learn it. Next Tuesday at 6 to 7 p.m. Okay, in between. Then 6 o'clock I will start. There will be a class test based on this chapter. The topics will be included like write a letter, notice, diary, conversation, the short answers. Okay, so be happy and safe at home. Learn well, study all these notes. Till that, bye bye.